top investing ideas in the finance sector for 2025. The greatest investor of our time, Warren Buffett, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Imagine waking up one day and realizing you no longer have to work. Money flows into your account, whether you're sipping coffee, traveling the world, or just sleeping in. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the harsh reality. 2025 is not the year to sit on the sidelines. The financial sector is evolving at breakneck speed, and if you're not in the right investments, you're already falling behind. Fear of missing out? Good. Because today, I'm revealing the top investing ideas in the finance sector that could define wealth building in 2025. Ideas that are not only lucrative, but also interest-free. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end. Because the last one, it's a complete game changer. Let's dive in. Investment number 1, Islamic FinTech, the rise of ethical finance. Imagine a world where finance isn't just about making money, but about making money the right way. That's exactly what Islamic FinTech is bringing to the table. Interest-free, ethical, and booming. Islamic finance has crossed $4 trillion globally. And guess what? FinTech startups are now tapping into this massive market, offering halal investment platforms, interest-free credit, and ethical savings accounts. Companies like Wahed Invest and Zoya are reshaping the game, and the demand is skyrocketing. The best part? You don't have to be Muslim to invest in ethical finance. Many are turning to it as a smart, risk-averse alternative to traditional banking. Now, before you think this is just a niche market, consider this. Would you rather invest in a system that's fair and stable, or one that thrives on debt bubbles and crashes? Hold that thought, because what's coming next is even bigger, and it involves an industry quietly taking over Wall Street. Investment number 2, the rise of tokenized assets. What if you could own a piece of a billion-dollar real estate project for just a few $100s? Tokenized assets are breaking down barriers in finance, allowing fractional ownership of real estate, gold, and even fine art, without the need for interest-bearing loans or debt-heavy investments. Picture this. Instead of taking out a loan to buy a rental property, you could own a fraction of a high-end hotel in Miami, earn passive income, and sell your stake instantly. No banks, no debt, no headaches. Platforms like Realty and Securitize are making this possible, and experts predict the tokenized asset market could explode to $16 trillion by 2030. And before you say, "But I don't trust crypto," don't worry. This isn't about meme coins or dog tokens. This is real-world, tangible investing made accessible. And speaking of tangible, the next investment could make or break the future of the entire financial system. Investment number 3, the gold standard. 2.0, digital gold and precious metals. Let's be real. Do you really trust the US dollar to hold its value forever? Inflation is eating away at cash savings like a silent thief in the night. And in uncertain times, what do the wealthiest investors do? They turn to gold. But here's the twist. Gold is going digital. Platforms like OneGold and Kinesis are merging precious metals with blockchain technology, allowing you to own real gold and silver, but with the liquidity and speed of digital transactions. Even central banks are quietly stocking up on gold. So the question is, are you? Or are you still trusting the Fed to figure things out while they print money like monopoly bills? And if you think gold is old school, wait until you see the next one, because it's an investment strategy designed for future millionaires. Investment number 4, private equity and alternative funds. Why do the rich keep getting richer? Because they invest in opportunities that the average person doesn't even know exist. Private equity and alternative funds give investors access to high-growth companies before they go public. And in 2025, interest-free private equity funds are emerging, allowing ethical investors to take part without traditional debt structures. Think of it like this. Would you rather invest in a stock after it hits the news, or be the person who got in before it skyrocketed? With platforms like Fundrise and Crowdcube, even small investors can now enter this exclusive club. But the doors won't stay open forever. And if exclusivity excites you, the final investment on our list is something even the biggest banks are scrambling to get into. Investment number 5, the rise of sovereign wealth. Funds governments are investing billions through sovereign wealth funds, SWFs, like Norway's $1 trillion oil fund and Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. But here's what's new. Retail investors can now access these funds via specialized ETFs and partnerships. In 2025, a new wave of ethical SWFs is emerging, focusing on sustainable infrastructure, tech startups, and interest-free finance. Translation: you can now invest like a country, without a country's budget. Wealth is shifting fast. Will you act before it's too late? Like, subscribe to InvestZenX and comment. Which investment excites you the most?